Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Mac has an Ethernet port or requires a USB-C/Thunderbolt adapter. This matters because signal and speed depend on the interface. Once done, pick a good RJ45 cable and plug your router or modem end first so the link lights stabilize. Make sure the Mac is on. Temporarily turn off Wi-Fi to force the system to use the wired connection for testing. These preparatory move speed troubleshooting and avoid guessing which device is active. You now insert the RJ45 connector into the adapter or the Mac's Ethernet jack until you feel a firm click. This ensures proper contact for all 8 wires. Then plug the adapter into the correct Mac port, USB-C or Thunderbolt, making certain it's fully seated because partial connections cause intermittent links. Once connected, check the router and Mac link/activity lights. They confirm physical negotiation. If you see steady light and your Mac shows a network icon, the hardware link is established. You finish by opening System Settings Network and confirming Ethernet appears as connected. This is where the OS gets an IP via DHCP. If you need a static IP or DNS, set it here. Otherwise, click Renew DHCP lease to force reconfiguration. Test connectivity with a quick ping or by loading a website. If it fails, check the cable, swap router LAN ports, and try a different adapter. Often faulty cables or incompatible adapters are the root cause, so isolate hardware before changing settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.